Your success in 2023, can you attribute 10% of it to Michael Maggs?
50.
50%?
Yeah, because I feel like we did equal effort. Someone wrote the song, someone made the beat, and then there's bloggers that pushed the song.
If Michael Maggs had to come now, would you be open to at least being brothers again?
I guess if he apologized from a genuine point, not for his opinions.
What did he lie about?
He lied when I married my wife. Yeah. And a lot of guys would say, she has had a child before. She has not had a child before.
Oops.
That's the guy that I went with, Kunorora. That's the guy they're going to believe, bro. But otherwise, he's always going to be Samanyanga Sounds. That's my brother.
So can we look forward to working with him in the future?
Of course. Of course. We've got more than... We could do another album today. We could release it today. We've got a lot of unreleased tracks. Michael Maggs did a lot of work for the brand. We appreciate what he did. We gave him lyrics, and then he sang them. Michael Maggs did it, big song, but I could have given it to Nicky Genius or Alec Macheso, same effect. I can't take anything away from Michael Maggs. If anything, Michael Maggs is the best producer. Michael Maggs is good. Production, I'll give him that. I'm also a producer, but I can't touch Michael Maggs. Right. I respect a lot of producers out there, but you can't touch Michael Maggs. With beats, Michael Maggs understands the language of production, and that I will give him. But then you can't claim that you wrote a song that I wrote when you were in high school. I've got videos in the Chimba Uchanamba Uchipisa in 2019.
Okay.
Congratulations.
Holyten.